Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Altcoin Reviews. I am here with one more video on arbitraging, and the topic of today's video is price analysis as of 25th of June 2019. Today is Tuesday. As you can see, market is growing good and you can see the volumes are still today is better than yesterday. Yesterday it was around 100 Ethereum and today it is, as you can see, it is 152.46 Ethereum, and the rate of Ethereum keeps on moving up in the USD, and you can see it is $312.22, $312.70 now, and the Abot is $1.56, and as you can see the price of Arb Coin is 314 GWEI, which is 9.8 cents, means almost it's near to 10 cents. And it's good that all the things are moving up. I am happy to see more volumes today because the volumes are not getting up much faster as before. There are two reasons behind that. The number one reason is we were getting around 200 to 250 Ethereum's volume before, I think around a week before. But at that time, the rate of Ethereum was around $230, $225, $235, something near that. So if we compare with that amount of dollars, if we see the Ethereum is now $300 to $315, if we compare with that, we are getting the same amount of volumes in the form of dollars because Ethereum is almost increased by 50% in the rate. But if we compare with Ethereum, it's down, but in dollars, it's still better. Okay, so if you multiply 152 with 313 and if you multiply by 250 with 230 where it was around a week ago, you will get the same number or nearby numbers in the dollar. So basically the volumes are not down in the dollar, it is down in Ethereum. But I am sure once market will get stable, because at this time Bitcoin is non-stop moving up towards and it's on a proper bull run. It is around $11,600 now. So till Bitcoin will not stop, it will not allow the other cryptocurrencies to move up, including the Ethereum also. At this time Ethereum is only up in USD, but in Satoshi value Ethereum is down. Ethereum is way down from where it was before. If it was at the same Satoshi value where it was around a week or 2 weeks ago, it was around 0.035 Satoshi. It was around, yes, it was 0.035 per Ethereum. Okay, so if we, according to the Bitcoin Ethereum pair, it was at 0.035. So if we calculate with that, let me show you something. It was at 0.035 multiplied by $11,600. You can see Ethereum would be at around $406 if it would have at the same place where it was around 2 weeks ago. But as Bitcoin has all the volumes and most of the volumes are going towards Bitcoin, that's why the other cryptocurrencies are going down in the form of Satoshi and GWEI also. That's why it's not affecting, it's not increasing the price of other cryptocurrencies. But I am sure once Bitcoin bull run will finish and Bitcoin will be stable at some point, we will see a good amount and significant growth in other coins also, and it will start with Ethereum for sure, because the top 10 currencies will go first, and then we will see the altcoins, other altcoins, small altcoins to move up, which include the Arb coin also, because Arb is also under 500. It is below 500, so it comes under a small. I am not talking about the small altcoin. Arb will be very big in the future, but at this time, as it comes in top 1000 cryptocurrencies, so it will take a little bit time to volumes to get transferred to Arb. But I am sure once the altcoins will start to move up, the price of Arb coin will move up more faster than others, because we are getting many updates in the coming days, which includes shadow trading. Debit card is already live. Now today we got the news about the news about the exchange called McPayExchange.com, I think. So there are many good news coming in. So I am sure once the market will get stable, we will see a significant growth in Arb coin also. Okay, now let's move towards the exchange and let's check out that what are the updates and what are the supports and resistance we have in the exchange at this time. So as you can see that we are still at the same place where we was yesterday. The price is not moving much. It is moving between the same price zone from last 2 to 3 days. Let me show you in this chart. As you can see, it is 9.7 cents and the low was 9.3 cents and the high is 9.9 cents. So it is not moving between even a 1 cent. It's moving between a half cent margin, 0.005 USD margin. So it's very small margin it's moving between, and I am sure it's the accumulating zone. It's called accumulation zone, where people accumulate more and more coins, then a sudden boom will come. So I am sure once the accumulation zone and once the bullish run of Bitcoin will be stable and stops a bit, then we will see a good growth in the price of Arb coin. See, the walls are squeezing, walls are getting lower and lower day by day, because at this time the price is not moving up, so maybe people are not placing much amount of walls. So the walls are only 261 Ethereum, and until 0.01 it is 231, until 0.005, which is the floor price of our Abot, it's 219. And my first target, I want the Arb coin to hit this level at least, so the Abot investors also gets a good amount of profit and they sell their profits at the full rate if Arb get to this level. I will be very happy for them if Arb gets to this level. It will be win-win situation for everyone, because then the supply which is coming in the form of Abot's earning will be very low, because if the price of Arb will be high, then there will be less coins coming into the market, and it will give profits to the investor of Abot also. Okay, now let's check out the buy wall. It's 715 Ethereum. It's a huge buy wall, but we have two big walls in it, which is 162 Ethereum is one and 500 Ethereum is the other one. And if we check till 162 Ethereum, we have a wall of 162 Ethereum. Here it is. So we have a wall of 36.74 Ethereum above that, but we have a good support till the 300 level, and I don't think at this time it will go below 300 level, because it's stable from last 2-3 days at the same price zone, and I hope it will remain here for a few days, maybe until some big news comes in. And I am sure after the news it is definitely going to go up. We all are waiting for the big announcements to come in, and there are announcements which are due regarding the shadow trading, and regarding today one thing comes in about the McAfee exchange, so announcement for that is also due. The live stream of debit is also due, and there are many things which is coming in the next couple of weeks, you can say. So I am sure once these news will start to pop in, we will see a huge and significant growth in the price of Arb coin. Now let's move towards the coin market cap, and let's check out what are the rates on the external exchange of the Arb coin. First of all, let me tell you that Bitcoin is 11,626 with the increase of 5.95%, and Ethereum is $313.60 with the increase of 1.30%. Now let's move towards the Arb, and let's check out that what are the updates. As you all know that there is some problem with this chart and it is not updating. Let's check out the market from here. Let me sort it. Okay, Etherflare Arb Ethereum pair has got the volume of $890,980 with the rate of 13.4 cents. Coin exchange Arb Ethereum pair got $857 only with the rate of 13.1 cents. And coin exchange Arb BTC pair has got the volume of $195 with the rate of 13.6 cents. So the average rate which comes out in it is 13.4 cents, somewhere around that, and it is still 3.5 cents more than the internal exchange. La token and ABCC got no volumes today as usual, because and I think ABCC Arb coin got delisted from ABCC exchange. As you can see, it's updated 32 hours before, so I think it's delisted from here, as I told you in my yesterday news that it was going to delist from the ABCC exchange, and now it has finally delisted. So if you have any amount of Arb coins inside the ABCC exchange, you should remove it from there, and you can deposit to another exchange, or you can transfer your coins to the internal exchange. But make sure first you transfer to your registered ERC20 wallet, then you transfer to the internal exchange. Otherwise your transactions will be lost, and then it will take time to recover it from the support. So it's better to follow the rules to save your time and the support time also. The 24-hour high is 14.2 cents and the low is 11.4 cents. So basically the coin stable on the external exchanges also, and it is growing slowly but steadily on the internal exchange also. We hope that good news comes in soon, so we can see a good amount of growth in the price of Arb coin. I think that's enough for the price analysis today. If you have any questions or concern, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram channel, which is @ArbCoinReviews. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a very wonderful day. Bye bye.